Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see crochet tutorial for this mini rose keychain. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here we make a slip knot. After slip knot, we will make 15 chain crochet stitches. I'll just complete it. Yeah, these are my 15 chain crochet stitches. Now we will skip stitch which is just next to loop on the needle, okay, and we will start from second stitch. So in second, third and fourth, okay, we will in each single stitch we will make 5 half double crochet stitches, okay. If you people want to refer tutorial video for how to make half double crochet stitch, it is already placed on my channel Sanjs Aasha. So description in description you will get that link. You can refer that video. It's quite slow with written notes, easy to understand, so please do refer. So in second, third and fourth stitch, in each single stitch we will make 5 half double crochet stitches, okay. In each single stitch 5 half double crochet stitches. I'll just complete it and I'll show you. So this is how it looks after completing. Now in 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th, oh I'm so sorry, in 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th we will make 5 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, okay. In description you will get link for tutorial video of double crochet stitch also. It is also quite a good tutorial video, you can easily understand if you want to refer it, so please do refer, okay. So 5 in 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th we will make 5 double crochet stitches in each single stitch. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now see, this is how it looks after completing, okay, and it automatically start rolling up, okay. Now in 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th and 13th, in these stitches we will make 5 triple or treble crochet stitches in each single stitch, okay. Please ignore background noise, my kid is playing, okay. And you will get tutorial video for treble or triple crochet stitch, that is also link is given in description. You can refer the video with written notes and quite easy to understand, so you will understand it well, okay. So like in every single stitch 5 triple crochet stitches. So this we are going to do for 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th and 13th, okay. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. See, this is how it looks after completing, okay. It is all rolled up, it automatically gets rolled up. Now we will make 5 chain crochet stitches and join it with the 13th stitch, that last stitch where we made our 5 triple crochet stitches, with a slip stitch. Now our flower work is done and we will just cut a yarn, okay. So this is a flower work is done. Now we will make leaves. So I'll just show you pattern for a leaf. Just insert your needle in 14th stitch, pull that new yarn and make a chain crochet stitch. So you add your new yarn, okay. Now make 7 chain crochet stitches. Once we are done with the chain crochet stitches, now in each single stitch we will make a double crochet stitch, but incomplete double crochet stitch. And these stitches also we will make only using one thread of each stitch, okay, or a single thread of each stitch. See, we will leave last loop. We will not complete a double crochet stitch, we will leave last stitch, last loop on our needle. So like in every stitch one loop go on adding to our needle. See, So like by end of the row or end of the stitches, we will have 7 loops on a needle in total. And just we will be making stitches from only one thread of every stitch. See, only one thread of every stitch. Once we get our 7 loops, now we will yarn over and pull through from first loop, and after that we will go on yarn over, pull through by 2 loops. This we will do till the end of loops, till the last loop. Now one side is done, we will just turn our work, and from back side we will do same pattern as we have done earlier, and from like single thread of each stitch. See, I'm using a single thread of each stitch and making incomplete double crochet stitches, and each time I'm leaving one loop on my needle. So like one loop is going adding on my needle. Same pattern. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. By end, just make a slip stitch and cut your yarn. So like one leaf is done. Now same pattern we have to follow in 15 stitch also, and make one more leaf over there. So like 2 leaves are there. See, our work is done. Now as I told you, it get rolled up automatically, so we have to roll it up again in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so like our front side of the stitch comes in front of the flower. Okay, and once you're done rolling, just turn your work and stitch that bottom part together, so like it won't get separated. See, this is how a mini rose keychain looks like. Crochet mini rose keychain looks like. So if you like the video, like, comment and share, and please subscribe Sanjs Aasha. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.